Hello, Group 4. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm very glad that I help you out in some manner. So, this is Group 4 reading for the month of December 2021. Messages, guidance, and important reading for group 4 from angels, spirit guides, ancestors, and the divine. Okay, so I have already uploaded group 1, group 2, group 3. So this is group 4 reading. So choose any one or more than one according to your situation, according to your intuition, your inner guidance. Okay, from group number 1 to group number 7. So there will be group 7. You can choose any group according to your own free will. Okay, which you think that yes, this is my message, you can choose according to that. Okay, so this is group 4 reading, and let's start your reading. Take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here. And if you have not subscribed yet to the channel, so please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And you can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So let's start today's reading and let's see what are the beautiful messages, guidance for group number 4 from the angels and ancestors for the month of December 2021. Please help me out, guides, gods, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages for group number 4, which are important to deliver for the month of December 2021. Okay, so let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages. Please give me the messages for group number 4. Please give me the messages for group number 4. What are the messages? Learn from your experiences. You are a spiritual teacher. This is the message I am receiving. Okay. Please give me the message for group number 4. Please give me the message. No. Okay. So you have to ignite your passions, group number 4. Fire guardian is here, so maybe you are not working on your passion, so you have to ignite your passion and see beyond the current situation. Okay, see the picture from a higher perspective. Okay, stand your ground and be the light. So that's the message I'm receiving here. Okay, see the situation, see beyond the current situation and ignite your passion. Do something which ignites your passion, which feeds your soul. Okay, anything you can do, like if you want to play you can play, if you want to sing you can sing. Okay, you have to stand your ground. Mountains is here. Maybe right now you're going through a phase of challenges. Okay, but you have to stand your ground and be the light. White witch is here, be the light. There is an owl here, so there is lot of intuition, wisdom, knowledge. Butterfly is also here. So can you see there is a butterfly? So you are in a process of transformation. Maybe your spiritual awakening is going on here. You're going through a phase of transformation, challenges in your life, but you have to be the light. Okay, you are here to spread light to the world. So see beyond the current situation. Okay, be the light, stand your ground. That's why the message was that you are the spiritual teacher. Okay, learn from your challenges, learn from your situation. Okay, these challenges you are facing on, okay, these challenges are making you more strong than before. You can be an air sign. especially Aquarius. The star is here, so there are new hopes, new desires, the healing which is coming up for you, group number 4. Or you can be a earth sign. I can have earth sign here. Okay, keep your courage with you, Aspen spirit. Lot of butterflies is here. Maybe you can see lot of butterflies around yourself. Okay, the black butterfly, the brown butterfly, the blue butterfly. Okay, so this is the message you are receiving, that yes, you are going through a process of transformation. You have to keep the courage. Okay, stand your ground, do not give up, and move in a forward direction. See the picture from a current situation. So you are losing hope, group number 4. Okay, do not lose hope, be the light. That's why the message is be the light. Okay, whatever challenges you are facing in your life, these challenges are happening because you are going to be a spiritual teacher for others. You are going to spread light, you will give light to others. Okay, see, keep your strength. Again, the message is very much clear. Keep your strength, keep ancient oak spirit is here. So change is coming up here again and again. Can you see dragonfly spirit and owl spirit is here again? Definitely there is lot of knowledge and wisdom you are currently having inside of your soul. Okay, because you are going through a process of lot of challenges, lot of things which or experiences which made you more wise. Okay, which has given you lot of wisdom, knowledge, which you are having currently, and which you need to share with the world. Right now you are not feeling happy, you are losing your hope. So sending you lots of healing, happy energies, blessings to group number 4. Do not give up. Okay, these things you are facing right now because you are going through a process of transformation. There is a change which is coming up for you. Maybe you can see a dragonfly spirit around yourself, and there is definitely change which is coming up for you. Okay, spend some time in nature also, and there can also be a possibility that you can see a lot of number synchronicities of triple three. Okay, triple three or 3033. See, whatever chaos you are having right now in your life, whatever challenges you are facing, these challenges are helping you out in transcending. Pegasus is here, in transcending, in growing out here. Okay, into more beautiful butterfly. So see the picture from a different perspective here. Let go anything which is not serving your highest good, and the you are not alone. That is also a message which I am having here. Okay, you are not alone at all. There is an angel which is guiding you, which is protecting you on your spiritual journey. So maybe some of you are feeling like you are alone. No, you are not alone. Okay, be the light, be the light. That's the message here. Okay, let me adjust the cards for you. Whatever chaos you are facing right now in your life, keep your courage and strength with you, because you are having lot of wisdom, knowledge, information inside your soul. You have to spread this with the whole world. Okay, so let's see messages for group number 4. Please give me the message for group number 4. Okay, you are not for everyone, group number 4. Embrace your weirdness and face your true north. North node is all about you are destined to have things you are destined to have in this lifetime. That is your north node. Okay, so you are not for everyone. Okay, maybe you are in a codependent relationship, or you do not know how to set up healthy boundaries, and you are facing the soul lessons around around setting up, how to set up healthy boundaries, or how to be independent. Okay, how you have to solve the codependent issue. Okay, the codependent or the boundary issue, because you do not know how to set up codependent, how to set up healthy boundaries, how to get out from the codependent relationship. And see, you are not alone. Okay, maybe you are feeling a lot of alone, but you are not alone. Okay, The divine is with you. There is Hardarian energy, codependency, boundaries. You got the love. Okay, so right now you are dealing with someone who is not your divine counterpart, I can say that. And these are the energies or challenges, whatever challenges you are facing right now in your life. These challenges are making you understand to make you understand that how to set up healthy boundaries around yourself. Maybe you do not know how to set up healthy boundaries around yourself because you are not for everyone, group 4. Okay, you are not for everyone. And you are not for everyone, and maybe you are in a codependent relationship. You must be having a codependent issue. That's the childhood issue, inner child issue, which you needs to heal. Okay, so you have to solve the codependent issue here, and this is baby steps. Action, follow your intuition before it makes it makes sense. So you have to follow your intuitions, group 4. Your intuition is guiding you. Follow the baby steps towards making in a forward direction, towards moving into beautiful doors which are opening up for you, which are there for you. 11:11 is a recording reading time. Maybe you can see 11:11 a lot, and you are here on the planet earth, okay, for your soul growth. And whatever life lessons you are having right now in your life, they are helping you out to grow on a soul level. For your soul's growth, these life lessons are important because you choose earth as a earth school for higher learning. You come on the earth, okay, for higher learning of your soul. Okay, so you are facing these challenges because you choose these life lessons for your soul's growth, so that you can grow on your soul level. So do not worry at all. And one more thing I want to tell you here. You are unique and you have to share your own unique song. So there is a particular unique song which you sing or which you love a lot, and which feeds your soul basically. Okay, so you have to share that song with your own self. Okay, first listen to the song and heal yourself here. That's why this message was see beyond the current situation here. Okay, trust the timing, trust the wave you came, and time is not running out. Okay, maybe you are longing for home, homesickness for stars. So some of you, you are a star seed here watching this video, group 4. Okay, see the golden children, inner child tenderness, rare gifts. So you are the golden children of the universe. Okay, you are here on a earth school for your soul's growth, for the life lessons, for a higher learning of your school of your souls. And you have rare gifts, unique gifts, and you are not for everyone. So embrace your weirdness, embrace your uniqueness, know your true self, face your true north. Okay, and this is weight of the boundaries, weight of the world, boundaries, let it go. It's not you to carry. Definitely the life lesson right now you are going through in your life is to how to set up healthy boundaries. It's not your responsibility to carry the burdens on your own shoulders, okay, of others, of other people, of other persons. Okay, you have to let go, okay, the burden of others, the weight of the world. You do not need to carry on your own shoulders. You have to learn how to set up healthy boundaries around yourself. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here for you. Let's see more messages. Please give me messages for group number 4. Please give me messages for group number 4. Please give me the message for group number 4. Some of you, you are going to get the marriage proposal here. and work with flowers. You must be loving flowers, I guess. You must be love flowers, the smell of flowers, and flowers be generous and success, emotional fulfillment will be all yours. Okay, so spend some time with flowers here, because even if I was doing the meditation and shuffling the cards, wait, I'm going to show you that message. The life purpose which I was receiving for you was flowerist. Okay, your life purpose, your healing energy comes from flowers. Okay, so that will help you out here. Flowers was there. Okay, so working with flower opens your heart and bring blessings to others here. So you, flowers plays an important role in your life purpose. So spend some time with flowers. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here, the flower messages. Okay, and 1 minute, need to set up here. Okay, and the second message which I am getting here for you is, there is a proposal, marriage proposal, a romantic or business opportunity is indicated. You are attracting emotional fulfillment and unconditional love. So there is a marriage proposal or a business proposal which is indicated for you, but you have to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. The Fool energy is here, so just take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction here. Okay, be the courageous to embrace the change, because maybe you have a fear of change. Okay, take risk and be adventurous. Be adventurous, take a risk. You have a fear of change, so you have to surrender this fear of change too. Okay, the universe is reminding you that you are cared for always. Whether you are afraid of a change in your job, your health, or your relationship, or if you fear aging or death, repeat the affirmation: I have faith that all is well. All is well, all is well, all is well, all is well. Okay, so just surrender your fear to change and just be a fool and move in a forward direction. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here for you. Now let me see message from the Lovers Oracle. Please give me the message. See, I just cut it out and there is new beginning. Okay, so let's see messages. Please give me the messages for group number 4. Please give me messages for group number 4. Please give me message for group number 4. Too many messages. Please give me messages for group number 4. Again, too many messages. No, please give me messages for group number 4. There's almost 8-10 messages coming for you again and again. Okay, please give me message for group number 4. I know you need more message right now. Okay, so you are trying too hard. Give it some time. Give it time to the universe. Give it time to the universe to work their magic. Let go of the control issues, because you are trying too hard for something to come true. Okay, so let go anything which you are trying so hard here. And there is a sacred union here which is happening for you. Honor and treasure your relationship, for it is truly sacred. This is divine union. So definitely there is a divine union which is coming here, and maybe you are trying and forcing this relationship to come here, but give it time. You are trying so hard to come here. Let go of the control issue. Things will happen according to the divine plan. Okay, so you just have to surrender to the divine, that yes, divine knows best for me. Okay, so that's the message I am receiving here. Please give me message for group number 4. Please give me message for group number 4. See, I told you, you have lot of knowledge here. Okay, turn your knowledge into wisdom. Wolf spirit is here. Lot of wisdom message is here, so you have lot of wisdom. Just turn your knowledge into wisdom. Okay, so turn your knowledge into wisdom. Wolf spirit is here. Then there is rabbit spirit. Now is a lucky time. Okay, now is a lucky time. Okay, and the third message which I'm receiving for you is grasshopper spirit. Take a leap of faith. Group 4, you have to take a leap of faith. 2020 is a recording reading time. 2020 is a recording reading time. Okay, so you have to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Okay, be the fool. So that's the message I am receiving here. Now let's see some messages from the tarot. Please give me the message for group number 4. Please give me the message for group number 4. What is the message you want me to deliver for group number 4? Okay, please give me the message for group number 4. What is the message for group number 4? Devil, Justice, Hierophant, the World card. Okay, see again the Fool is here. This is the third time I'm receiving the Fool energy for you. Just take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Okay, so the first message for you was devil. Devil energy is here, so that means anything which you are doing access. And what's the devil energy? And devil energy is you are not be able to set up healthy boundaries, and you are in a codependent relationship. That's the devil energy you are having here. 2211 is a recording reading time. Okay, so let me get that message. So that's the devil energy you need to work on, that you have codependent issues. Okay, or you have boundary issues which you need to heal, which you need to work on. But there is a karmic justice which is going to serve in your case. Okay, maybe this is karmic justice is going to serve. Karmic justice is coming for you, and this is your spiritual growth, Hierophant and the World card. So you are closing out a cycle here, you are ending a karmic cycle here, and you are growing on your spiritual level. Okay, the Hierophant is here, so you're growing on a spiritual level here, but you just need to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction here. So maybe there is a person who is coming towards you. Okay, there is Knight of Cup and there is Four of Pentacles. So you are not ready to open up. That's why the message is that if you receive any offer here, group 4, you need to be more open up. Open yourself, be the fool, take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction, because this relationship is very romantic, loving, loyal, caring. Okay, a lot of romance is indicated here. This person is very young, charming person who is a sports person. I do not know why I say that. This person is a sports person. Okay, sports person, this person is a sports person. Okay, and they love adventure. See, Two of Cups. You both will love each other, and you both love each other, and you will receive a proposal from this person here. Okay, so that's the message from the tarot here. Now let me see messages from the astrological deck. So just be open, work on your codependency and boundary issues here, group 4. Okay, so let's start. What are the messages for group 4? Please give me the messages. Please give me the messages for group 4. Whenever sun and moon come together in my reading, you are dealing with a divine counterpart here. Someone from your past life, okay? There is someone from your past life who is coming back in this lifetime here, okay? You can be a Virgo or Gemini here, okay? Virgo and Gemini is here, and this is Phoenix rising from ashes. You have the ability to transform, so just take a leap of faith and move forward. This is rebirth energy. Again, the same message is here. You have the ability to transform, just take a leap of faith, okay? And this is big Mercury. How you think, communicate, write, talk and travel. So you have to think about, Mercury is all about communication skills, your traveling skills. So you have to communicate very clearly what you want, and try to use words so other person cannot misunderstood you, okay? So pay attention while you speak, group 4. And this is the 12th house. This is the area that is overwhelming. You yield to greater cause of power here, okay? So this is helping you out. Your 12th house is helping you out. And this is Mars, your physical energy, drive, strength and fighting spirit. And this is very beautiful. So you can be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, okay? That can also be a possibility, that you do not give up. You are not giving up. You are a wounded warrior and you are not giving up. 9 of Wands energy. You are saying, no, I'm not going to give up. I am fighting here, because you are a fighting spirit. You have a fighting spirit here. I am not going to give up and I'm moving in a forward direction, okay? So that's very beautiful here. Then there is Moon. That's your unconscious, sensitive inner emotions and your responses, okay? So you have to do your unconscious healing, okay? Your inner emotions or responses here. So maybe there are some wounds in your unconscious mind, okay? So that's why the moon is here. Maybe you are having some kind of confusions, because there are some memories which are coming up from your past lives. I told you, you are dealing with someone who is coming up in your life from your past life, okay? So you are responding according to your unconscious mind. So you have to be you have to complete your healing. Maybe you are very sensitive and your inner emotions are very sensitive, I can say that. So this is the first house, what people see and the impression you give. So this is your first house, and this is how the people see you, and you give the impression they by seeing you, basically how people see you and get the impression here. By that you grow and expand, okay? So let's see more. Please give me message for group number 4. Please give me the message for group number 4. Sagittarius energy is here and Capricorn. So all earth signs are here. No, Virgo and Capricorn is here. Earth sign. I told you in the beginning you can be an earth sign, okay? So Capricorn and Virgo is here, okay? Then there is Sagittarius, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius energy can also be a possibility. So once you learn the lesson, okay, and there can be a Cancer here or a fixed sign, okay? You can be a fixed sign here. That means Scorpio, Aquarius, okay? See, there is a Scorpio here. So you can be a Scorpio here, Cancer here, Sagittarius here, or fixed sign here, okay? Leo, Scorpio, Taurus, Leo, Scorpio or Aquarius, okay? So when you are see what is happening in your life, when you learn your life lesson, the Uranus is here, which gives you radical unexpected changes. So you will receive unexpected changes, but for that you have to learn the lessons which you have selected for this lifetime journey in your soul contract. And this is house number 3 again, Okay, so house number 3 is early learning, childhood relationship, the rational mind, and the communication here. So that's why I told you that in your codependent relationship and boundary problem comes from the childhood. Okay, so whatever situations and experiences you faced when you were a child, okay, and if there are some inner child wounds you are having inside of your soul, these energies are going to play role when once you are an adult. Okay, because you have not released that energy, you have not healed that energy. So these are your childhood relationships or your childhood inner childhood wounds which you need to heal. Okay, so and the learning or experiences, whatever experience you gain in your early childhood, that is helping you out to grow on your soul level. Okay, so this is very powerful. Okay, you need lot of blessings and healing energies here. Okay, group number 4. So do not worry at all. One message for you is that you have to be a fool. Okay, just be a fool, take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Okay, so that's the message here I'm receiving for you. That's very beautiful message. And spend some time with flowers. There is a proposal, a marriage proposal which is coming up for you. So just be open up and receive that message, accept that thing. Okay, so that's what I'm having here for you. I hope I make you understand, I give you the messages which you are requiring here. Sending you lots of love, healing and happy energies to all my group 4 who are watching my video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.